In this video, you'll do an intermediate advanced tap dance workout with me. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. If you want to keep on tapping and you like this, click on the link below. We've got a great package for you that'll help you stay in shape. And in addition to that, we've got a tap habit program that comes with the package that'll help you make tap dancing a regular part of your life going forward, so you can be in the best shape of your life and be having fun at the same time. All right, let's jump in. All you gotta do is follow along. Let's start with toes. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Oh yeah, warming you up. Woo! You got this. Heel, same pattern. That's it. Keep it up. All right. Now toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Stand, pop, stand. Woo! You got it. Step, heel, touch. Step, heel, touch, heel. Step, heel, touch, heel. Replace the touch with the toe. Oh, nice. Replace it with the dig. Excellent. Thank you so much for tapping with me. Hope you had a good time with that warm-up. If you did, and you want to keep using tap dance as a way to stay in shape and keep your mind sharp, and frankly, just to have fun, click on that link below. We've got a great package for you. Like I said, it includes our Tap Habit program, which helps you establish tap as a regular habit. So it just happens every week. It always happens. You're staying in shape. You're having fun. You're keeping your mind sharp. You're having a good time, right? Thank you so much for tapping with me. I'm, of course, Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.